Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to fold this origami tree. So take a square sheet of paper and let's start. Now if you have some colored paper like I do, you want to have your final side facing up. So first we're going to fold this corner down to that corner. And you want to be really accurate because it's not a very hard model, but you need to make it really clean in order for it to be impressive. Now unfold, and we're going to fold this top edge down to the middle crease we've just made. So you really want to try and be as accurate as you can. Same thing with this edge that we're going to bring to that crease in the middle. Alright, now we're going to rotate this that way, and we want to take these two edges and bring them to the sides. So let's do this one first, just like this. You can go a little over, it's not a big deal. And same thing on the other side. Yeah, I would recommend going slightly over by a millimeter or two so that you're sure you don't have any overlapping. There we go. Now turn the model over, like this, and now you want to take this bottom tip and bring it up as far as you can. Here you see it blocks because the paper doesn't allow for it to, so you're just going to go as high as the paper allows you to. There we go. Now we're going to fold this back down. There isn't any real reference, just try and do something similar to what I do. There we go. So that's maybe 2 centimeters or just under an inch for the Americans. And now you want to fold the trunk. So here you want to make a line that goes like this to make the trunk. You don't want to make it too thick. So I'll try and make it just like this, and then you're just going to you just fiddle with that. Just make as many swivels so that it doesn't come into view here, because that's the back of the tree, we don't really care. Same thing here, try and make it symmetrical if you can. There we go. So here once again I'm just working my way around to not get anything in view. So just press everything down. You don't want to have anything right there. That's the critical path. Now once we've done this, we're just going to fold this tip up. That's going to be the stand for the tree, and then we're going to take this top tip and fold it down. I would say roughly you want to fold it down so that here, from here to there, the point is kind of halfway. That would be my usual reference. Alright, now we can turn the paper over and the tree is completed. Now I'm going to make it stand. You won't be able to see really how it looks. Oh, or maybe I can. Alright, so here I can see my stand isn't long enough, so I'm going to make it a bit longer. There we go. And now, as you can see, the tree stays upright. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.